Hello my beautiful people, welcome to my kitchen. It's me here again, Fatima. Today I'll be making some egusi soup. I have my goat meat here, I have my dry fish, I have my chicken, so I'll leave them to cook. I have my onion, my sweet pepper, my habanero pepper, scotch bonnet. I have my locust beans here. As you can see, I have my fish, dry fish, seafood. I'm gonna add that one in there. This is the one that I use, crayfish. That's the crayfish that I use. I'm gonna be adding my fish powder as well. That's fish powder. So I'm gonna blend everything in here. I'm gonna blend it. Everything is nicely blended now. I'm gonna be putting it into my I'm gonna be adding some fish powder. Now I'm gonna be adding my palm oil. I mean, you can use any meat of your choice. It does not have to be goat meat or chicken. After I cook my palm oil for a little bit, now I'm going to be adding my egusi. That's the egusi here. That's the one that I'm using. I mean, I don't want to add a lot of palm oil, but you are free to do so. You can add a lot of palm oil on your own egusi. So in my egusi, I'm going to be using spinach and some kale. So I'm going to wash them and cut them. That's my egusi soup. I'm going to be adding 2 seafood Maggi jumbo, and some salt for taste. That's my chopped spinach and kale here. That's my chopped kale here and my spinach. Now I have added my spinach into my egusi soup. As you can see, at this point I have just lowered my fire. My fire is now on a low fire. Here I'll be making some cabbage fufu. So I removed the first layer, so I don't need this one. So I'm gonna wash my cabbage and chop it and blend it. That's my cabbage. I have 1 cup of water here, so I'm gonna blend my cabbage. That's my blended cabbage here. I'm gonna strain it in here. Well, this cloth was a new one when I have my baby, and then I bought, I think it was like 4 in the packet or 2 in the packet. So I decided to use one of the new one in the kitchen. So this is a new one, so anytime I finish I just wash it and dry it and tie it in a plastic bag for next use. So this cloth is always for my kitchen. I started using it since when it was a new from the packet. I mean, you can use any cloth that you have. I'm gonna strain all the water. I'm gonna take all the water out of the cabbage. So you can see I'm squeezing my cabbage. I'm removing all the water. You have to wash this straight away. We need to wash it and dry it. I mean, with cabbage fufu, vegetable fufu, you can never go wrong. Even if it doesn't cook properly, you don't need to worry, because if you are cooking meat, if your meat is not properly cooked, or your fish or your chicken, that's the problem. But with vegetable, there is no problem. As you can see, I'm putting my cabbage water here in case I need it, so don't get rid of the cabbage water. I'm going to be adding a little bit amount of water in here, not too much. I'm going to be using some plantain fufu for thickening. You have to keep on adding a little bit water so that your cabbage can be half and half cooked before you add your plantain fufu. You just need just a little bit, just to make it thick. That's my cabbage fufu. I mean, if you want to cut some of the carb, that's the cabbage water. I'm still using the water. So I'm going to leave it here for 5 minutes. I'm going to cover it. That's my cabbage fufu. You see, you can never go wrong with your cabbage. It's now ready. That's the cabbage fufu. That's your cabbage fufu. You can never go wrong. That's my egusi soup is now ready. That's my egusi soup and my cabbage fufu. That's my cabbage fufu. See? That's my cabbage fufu and my egusi soup. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, thumbs up. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much.